Hurricanes Highlights, brought to you by ATB Financial.
Alexiev left point shot through traffic, rebound, golfing at it was Pollinchuk, and it was knocked wide of the net. Now centering, Cutler tried a bid and Flodell down. The second line of Morrison, Joseph, and Elmer. Alexiev evades a check, rink-wide feed picked off. Olsen moves back in, leaves Morrison, right in, shot, scores! Brad Morrison points in every game so far in this series. It's 1-0 Lethbridge. For Johnson, over the line, Johnson back, Pollinchuk, shot, scores! Grayson Pollinchuk off the rush, ties the game 1-1. Here's a chance for Reichel off the post. Tried to shoot, it was blocked by Addison. And a bouncing puck is moved out by Ross. Now Bellerive, Addison, Ross moves in, centered. Bellerive was taken down in front by Barteau, and that'll be a penalty. Swatted away by Marejko. Minute 15 to go in the power play. Hagel, a shot, scores! Brandon Hagel, his fifth of the series, and the Rebels have the lead with a power play goal. Morrison, Addison at the line. He'll move in, a pass, Bellerive, left circle, shot, scores! The captain ties the game 2-2 with a power play goal. It on for Cutler. He'll move in, Douglas drives the front, Cutler goes around the net. Feeds it back to the line, Alexiev. Point shot, scores! A seeing eye wrist shot from the line by Alexander Alexiev, and the Rebels are back in front 3-2. Jordy Bellerive has a goal tonight. Across the line, pass to the trailer, Ross. He'll shoot, loose puck, Cousins jamming. Where is it? A pile up and a whistle. Now Bellerive, one-timer, loose puck, it's skipped by Morrison. And Johnson able to get the puck and skate it out to center. Cousins racing to join his Bellerive. A pass tipped right on Bellerive with a rebound. Stopped by Anders. Loose puck and it falls into the corner. Bench will get the puck. Tried to lay it ahead. It comes to Elmer. In over the Rebel line. Elmer, Addison cutting to the net. Got hooked up to it. Scores! What a goal by Calen Addison. Ties the game 3-3. Lead feed for Ross, trying to bust in. One man to beat. Ross to the net, scores! Taylor Ross gives the Canes the lead 4-3. For the Rebels, Canes leading 4-3, a chance in front, they score! Johnson ties it up 4-4. That's the draw. Olsen will get it. A couple more points for him tonight. Moves it forward for Dylan Cousins. 3-on-2 developing. A pass. Bellerive passed off. Ross scores! Second of the period. Go-ahead goal. It's 5-4 Lethbridge. Here's a puck in front. Kick just wide by Johnson. That would have tied the game. 5-4, Hurricanes lead with 9 minutes left. A point shot fought off by Flodell, and he dives out. Puck taken by Joseph. He'll just scoop it over the head of Barteau and falls to center. Morrison in a foot race. Empty net. Morrison scores! Brad Morrison! 6-4 Lethbridge with a minute 18 to go. 5 seconds left. One down, 3 to go. Hurricanes off to round 2. For the final, Hurricanes defeat the Rebels in Game 5.